saying, I thought I was signing up for a course, but I ended up signing up for a way of life. And everyone from the three of you to the Aspire team, I had some medicals done yesterday for ridiculous discounts and better service than I would have gotten anywhere. So it's everything from the way you guys have taught, mentored, listened, different styles. I looked at a few implant courses, and I think I spoke with you on the phone. And initially we were talking about money, and then after a while I was just like, it wasn't, you just get a vibe, a feeling, and then you realize it's not about the money, it's about the value that you get. But I've got way more than
forever.
I spent. I'll just keep singing praises of the PI team because I feel different. Like, I've been on courses, and this is not a course. You guys should actually be saying it's about the lifestyle change, a way of life. It's about a journey. And because what you guys are giving is an experience, transformational experience. I'm not just banging them in. I'm coming back to my patients to tell them, you know what? The game has changed. So I can only say thank you. I have brothers now, sisters. It's not just about when we're partying and dancing or dinner. It's just the chat, it's the support. The idiocy of jokes, man. Come on. But I'm different now, and thank you.
Oh, amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.